Good afternoon, everyone. Today I will be responding to the statement for assignment. The choice is that I choose this one. The random walk theory implies that events are random, but many events are not randomly. If it rains today, there's a fair bet that it will rain again tomorrow. This is an interesting perspective that touches the randomness and how we interpret partnering events. In the following 3 minutes, I will explore what the random walk theory its implications and why certain events like weather might not align with the pure randomness. The first, let me introduce what is the random walk theory. The random walk theory is a concept often used in finance and economics to describe the movement of stock price. This suggests that the price evolve randomly and are not influenced by the past movements. In simple terms, the theory says that future events are independent of past, making it impossible to predict outcome based on the history data. For example, if stock price rises today, the theory implies that there's no guarantee it will rise tomorrow. This idea is rooted in the concept of randomness, where each event is independently and unpredictable. But there's a catch. Not all the events in the real world are truly random. Some events follow patterns or are influenced by underlying factors, which will bring us to the second part. Are all events random? The statement we just mentioned argues that many events are not random, and it uses weather as an example. But if it rains today, there's no fair chance it will rain again tomorrow. This is a great example. Weather is governed by complex systems like pressure, humidity, and other temperatures. If conditions today are to rain, and those conditions might persist in tomorrow, increase the likelihood of rain. That is not random. It's predictable and pattern based on the scientific principles. This contrasts with the random walk theory, where events are independent. In reality, many phenomena like weather, human behavior, are influenced by each other by the prior events. For example, when stock price might operate randomly in short term, they are often influenced by large trends such as economic policy and government events. And understood that the distinction between randomness and predictability is important because it shapes how we make the event random. On the other hand, if we say patterns will non-exist, we risk making flawed assumptions. For example, in weather forecasting, recognized patterns allows the scientist to make sure accurate predictions. However, in finance, assuming patterns in random stock movement can lead to poor investment decisions. So in conclusion, the random walk theory suggests that even events are randomly and independent, but in the many real-world events, like weather, are not purely random. They are influenced by pattern and other factors. So if we recognize the difference between randomness and predictability, we can better understand the world around us and make more informed decisions. Thank you.